Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how to delete your TikTok account in 2023, then you are at right place. So I am going to show you how you can delete your account. So first you have to open your account you want to delete, and then you have to click on these three lines, and here you will see this option settings and privacy. Simply click here, then you will see the option account. Click here. Here you will see the option deactivate or delete account. So if you want to delete your account, you simply have to click here, delete account, and then you will see this option delete account permanently. So your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So if you click here on this option, you have to first told the TikTok that why you are going to delete your TikTok account, and after that uh, your account will be deleted within 30 days. But please make sure that you not reactivate your account within 38 days. Okay, so hope you like this little tutorial on how to delete your TikTok account in 2023. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please make sure you can subscribe to my channel for more tips and trick videos. Thank you.